Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Baratza Virtuoso grinder. Now we're going to be testing this grinder as it already got surface and it's ready to grind. So starting with grinding number 13. I'm testing it out. As you can see, nice grind coming out of the grinder. Good consistency, great size. Now we're gonna make it smaller. Right now, number 9. As you can see, much smaller. Good grind. Working great. So there you have it, Baratza Virtuoso grinding once again. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.